Sorry, I'm having a moment. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Thanks for joining. I hope you'll consider subscribing. On this channel, we do life, food, family, fun, all sorts of recipes, parenting tips, makeup reviews, product reviews, all sorts of stuff. So hit that subscribe button, and when you do, hit that bell notification so you're notified of every video I post, which happens every Tuesday and Thursday. For those of you who have been with me for a long time, you will notice that my background is a little bit different today, and that is because we are going into the kitchen to make keto, low carb, grain-free, sugar-free, amazing, fluffy pancakes. Want to know how I do it? Stay tuned and let's do this. If you have not seen my video on the copycat Panda Express orange chicken recipe that I came up with, you need to watch that because it is so good you will not know that you are on any kind of a diet. I mean, it almost sounds like it's too good to be true, but it's not. Check it out. I will link it in the cards and at the end of this video. Okay, I have tried a million. Okay, not a million. I have tried several. How many have I tried? I've probably tried 25 recipes for low carb pancakes, and I have messed with it myself and tweaked things here and there, and really some of them taste pretty good, some of them taste really grainy, some of them taste like straight up eggs, and they're not like the fluffy pancakes that you really kind of grew up with and are craving. So I have mixed and matched and tried a whole bunch of different things, and I think that I have found a recipe that is pretty amazing, and I want to share it with you. So I mean, look at this stuff. I mean, those are fluffy pancakes. They look like real fluffy pancakes. I mean, they're amazing. And they're buttery. Oh my gosh, I can't finish this video, I'm sorry. So we're in the kitchen here and I'm gonna show you how I do it. Okay, the first thing that you're gonna do is get some almond flour, and I'm gonna have everything listed below in the description box, so just expand that description box and you will find the recipe down there and how to make this. So I use very fine blanched almond flour. I'll have a link in there on which one that I get, and then I actually put it into my magic bullet and I give that a spin for about 30 seconds. I know it's already finely blanched and you can skip this step, you don't have to do it, but I think it just ensures that everything is just really finely ground up and isn't going to be chunky or lumpy or gross. So you're gonna use half a cup of that and put that in a bowl. Next, I'm gonna add a 1/4 cup of oat fiber, and then to that, we are gonna add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt, a couple dashes of cinnamon, that's probably a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1 heaping teaspoon of my sugar blend. You can use whatever sweetener you like to taste. I make my own, so there's no stomach upset. Then you're gonna give that a whisk for your dry ingredients. Then for your wet ingredients, I'm going to also blend this up in my magic bullet, and I'm gonna do 3 eggs, a teaspoon of vanilla, 1/4 cup of heavy cream, and blend that up. Then we're gonna put the wet ingredients with the dry ingredients, and to that, we are going to add a 1/4 cup of melted butter and a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. The apple cider vinegar will help activate that baking powder, and that's what's gonna make these babies rise. So once that's all mixed together, this is gonna make about 8 to 10 pancakes. So I've got my skillet here, I've got my griddle here buttered, and I'm going to just scoop some onto the pan. Now they're gonna be kind of moussey-like, light and fluffy, so spread them out just a little bit, but don't flatten them. Just, kind of spread them out into the shape of the pancake you want and let that rise. You'll notice that it will get bubbly, just like regular pancakes. Those bubbles will start to burst. That will help to tell you to know that you need to flip it. They are a little bit more delicate than regular pancakes, but not a whole lot. So they're pretty hearty, but just be careful, loosen the edges, make sure that you can flip those over. And as you can see, when you flip those over, they rise up even more, and they are just beautiful. So here's my finished product, and they are light and fluffy. They're buttery. I put more butter on it and some sugar-free syrup or whatever toppings you are craving at the moment, and they are just amazing. So let's see what my kids think, because we all know that kids are honest and they're picky, and if they like these things, then I think you will too. Let's see what they think. What do you think?
What do I think? It's amazing.
So there you have it. Fluffy, yummy, buttery, homemade pancakes that are actually good for you and keto friendly, low carb friendly, gluten free, grain free, but not flavor and texture free. I love these. I hope you will try these out. If you try them out, send me a comment below and tell me what you think of them, and I think you're gonna love them. Good. Okay, that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment below on something that you would like me to try next. I love making comfort food, low carb and keto, so give me a challenge. I would love to find out. Otherwise, I hope you're having a great day. Stay inspired to try some new recipes, and I'll see you in the next video. See you, ladies.